This video was prepared by senior English teacher Mr. Mohammed Shahada. Egypt has a lot of natural wonders. People should know about them in order to visit them. The most famous natural wonders are the White Desert National Park, Al-Nazaq Lake, and Gabel Elba. The White Desert National Park is an amazing place because it contains 5 oases with rocks. It is a wonder because the colors of the rocks change and look beautiful. Al-Nazaq Lake is called the Shooting Star. It has the shape of an eye. It is one of the best places to dive and swim. Gabel Elba is a national park. Although it is a desert land, it is unusually green and home to many animals and birds.